All right, what's up everybody? 2000 is a fully customized one of one, doing custom ass work to it. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna be working on the car. We're gonna be working with some fiberglass. We're gonna be actually kind of bringing this whole car together today. Hopefully, we will see. We're gonna be putting some work on the fenders, laying a fiberglass sheet. We're gonna be working, the quarter panels and the bumper, and then we're also gonna be working on the fenders and the front bumper, laying the one space that I had mentioned down below. We're gonna make that into one piece hopefully today. We will see, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Because the guard cap. Look at this. Hey. All right, so this is the back as I showed before. There's the one piece, sanded it down a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and make some more fiberglass and some resin. Make a sheet, put that down, lay that down, make sure that's on there. Lay this side down. It is pretty shady right now. It's getting late, so let's go ahead and do this real quick and then we'll move on to the front. Lay the expanding foam right here to this piece and then over there. We'll probably lay that first so that way it can dry and then we'll go from there.
Do you want it to stick onto this? No, because you're going to make it out of fiberglass.
Yeah,
right?
I'm going to make it out of fiberglass, so I don't need it to stick here. This is just so I can mold that piece.
The fiberglass?
Yeah, and we'll mold this and then lay the fiberglass to that mold.
Okay.
So I can make the mold.
Guy down, then I need to go this guy out, in like that. Oh shit. But it's working.
All right, so now that we got that added, we're gonna let that dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start in the rear again with the resin, adding the fiberglass cloth, the resin. Let that sit and then we'll come back to the front. The front should be dry. Cut that out, shape it, and then see how we want to shape it actually, and then lay down the fiber cloth and then let that sit and dry, and then we'll see where we go from there. Till you're done.
Because I'm Mopi's waiting for us. I don't want it.
I was trying to figure out, what if we were to do like a...
I don't want to lose that curvature here. This right here? I don't want to lose that. Like the wind's going in. So now I'm going to remove.
like that right there. You see that line? It goes from fender line all the way into here to part of the bumper. Obviously they're gonna be attached, but it runs so smoothly. Like it just feels nice and smooth. Like from the wide to the. And then finally back here, I got it. This is just like the first part, like the first layer, like the foundation. Not really much is gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do here yet. I'm gonna sand this down, probably do another layer. This bump right here, try to minimize that bump as much as I can. You can see it. Another one right here. Try to minimize those, make them as flat as I can. But then, and then we're gonna cut the line that the bumper and the fender. Hopefully we can get that. If not, we will do it to this side first, because we can see it. So you can see it, we'll do it, and then but this is just like a learning curve. I can sand all this down anyways, but it's somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. If not, we just leave it all one piece. We just leave it all one piece. That bumper will never ever come off. Ever. But this piece over here, oh man, I'm loving this right here.
Rid of this. I'm getting rid of all those scratches with the 36, whatever you did. I'm trying to fade this out. That? Yeah. Because you're still gonna. This is a little bit. You're gonna put fiberglass steel.
Alright guys, so this is as far as I got with the S2000 for today. As you can see, we started getting that in shape right there. That is just gonna be like the template, or like for I can make the mold. Once I'm gonna make the mold out of fiberglass, and then we'll attach it to the bumper and get that. This over here, I got this going. This is starting to take a little bit more better shape. I really like how it's coming out. So yeah, I mean this side, this foam takes forever to dry, especially since I did it pretty late. The sun was already going down. But this other side, I'm gonna have to start doing it next week once I come back, sand it down, throw on the more of the fiberglass short strand, and then start shaping everything and really start get going on this side. But it's been going good so far. Really like it, love it. Shout out to Rick for really helping me out on this one. It's been coming along. I like how this came out. I really do. It really goes with the bumper. Anyways, other than that, you guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.